We've codified our existence to bring it down to human size, to make it comprehensible. We've created a scale so that we can forget its unfathomable scale.
I, Hatshepsut, Pharaoh of the Two Lands, look upon this world of vast knowledge and discovery and find myself astonished. The great civilizations of the future, though distant from my own time, seek to unravel the mysteries of the heavens above. In my reign, I commanded expeditions to foreign lands and sought wisdom through the priests and scribes. But even in the splendor of my monuments and treasures, I could not fathom what your generation dares to explore. Today, the words of the scribes speak of the outer planets, moons that may harbor life beneath frozen crusts, and distant worlds that hold secrets only the bravest may discover. It is said that liquid water, the very essence of life on Earth, may lie beneath the icy surfaces of distant moons, moons that orbit the mighty Jupiter, the enigmatic Saturn, and even the farthest reaches of Neptune. Such revelations are beyond the comprehension of ancient Egypt, where the Nile was our lifeblood and our gods. But now, as I listen to your discoveries, I see the possibility of something much greater. If these moons do indeed hold oceans beneath their icy shells, who is to say that life, perhaps even intelligent life, does not also exist among the stars? Imagine my successors a future where humans no longer merely gaze up at the night sky with wonder. You will venture to these moons, discovering new frontiers where life could thrive, not in the warmth of sunlight, but in the deep hidden crevices of frozen worlds. Europa, with its vast ocean beneath a crust of ice, holds the promise of microbial life, or perhaps even more, just as the depths of our own Earth harbor creatures unseen by the eye. Can you not hear the whispers of ancient seas hidden under the ice, calling to those who dare to explore? And then there is Enceladus, with its misty plumes spraying out from beneath the surface. The Cassini spacecraft, which sailed past this moon, uncovered a secret that only the boldest explorers could have dreamed of: water being ejected into the vastness of space, a sign that beneath Enceladus's icy skin, a warm ocean could exist. A place where life, as we understand it, might have taken root. Is it not a wonder, my people, that such distant moons can contain the very elements necessary for life? Earthly life, but also life that could adapt to the harshest environments. Life that could survive and even flourish where we would not think to look. In my time, we believed the world was small, with the gods above and the afterlife beyond. But now, you look to the stars as though they are within your reach. The moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa, Ganymede, Titan, and Enceladus, are all worlds unto themselves, each with its own history and potential. Ganymede, the largest of Jupiter's moons, may even have its own magnetic field, suggesting an active interior, much like the heart of our own Earth. This interaction between rock and water, this fundamental process that gives life its diversity, is the very thing that may make these moons so promising for discovery. And Titan, with its lakes of methane and ethane, a world that mirrors Earth in some ways, yet diverges in others. Here, life could take on forms we can scarcely imagine. It is as if the gods have cast aside our assumptions of what life is, and have opened the door to the possibility of something new. What if Titan's methane rivers and lakes are the birthplace of life that thrives in ways we cannot yet comprehend? Could it be, as some of your greatest minds propose, that life elsewhere is not based on water at all, but on other compounds, other chemistry? Even farther still, beyond the reach of the gas giants, lies Triton, Neptune's moon, with its strange retrograde orbit and mysterious icy surface. Perhaps there too, The deep interior is warm with a hidden ocean, fueled by the forces of the cosmos. If you are able to reach these distant worlds, what wonders might you find? Perhaps, hidden within the deep layers of ice, life that has never known the light of a distant sun, sustained by the forces beneath the surface, waiting for your touch, waiting for you to find them. As I look upon your achievements and reflect on my own time, I am filled with awe. What you are embarking upon today could one day reshape our understanding of life itself. Could it be that life, like our civilization, does not just arise from the warmth of our world, but could thrive in places where only the bravest dare go? Could there be something more out there, waiting to be discovered by those who carry the fire of curiosity? The search for life beyond our world is not merely a quest for knowledge. It is a quest for connection. It is the understanding that, like the pharaohs of Egypt, we are but one piece in the vast, intricate tapestry of existence. We will learn more, not just about distant moons, but about the very essence of life, of what it means to exist in a universe that stretches beyond our imagination. So, my people of the future, as you embark upon these great missions to the moons of Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune, know that you carry the legacy of those who sought knowledge, from the scribes of Egypt to the explorers of the stars. What you discover in these frozen oceans could change everything about the cosmos, about life, and about who we are in the grand, unfolding story of the universe.